Well, if you caught a glimpse, there was a fantastic sunset out there tonight, and here's one of the best places to see it, Tammy. The oohs and the ahs. CBS 3 Skycam capturing the sun setting at Sunset Beach. You see the lighthouse there in Cape May this evening. Will we see that sun? Nah, they cut away from it. But it's rapid descent. I was looking at it. 5 minutes later, gone.
It was gone. And no green flash. We didn't see a green flash. I was watching it the whole time.
You were the whole time.
The whole time.
Gorgeous though.
We'll have another beautiful sunrise tomorrow and another gorgeous sunset tomorrow night. Then we have some changes on the way.
All right.
Let's get to what's going on out there. Beautiful night across the city. We have some high thin clouds drifting through, but not a real big deal. So nothing that's going to kind of put a damper on any late night plans. We could see a little patchy fog developing out there later tonight. Temperatures right now, 71 degrees in Philadelphia, so it's very comfortable. The dew point's at 62. It usually ticks up a little at night. As long as it stays in those 50s, we're in good shape. But I think tomorrow it will sail into the 60s because we have south-southwest winds pumping in more heat and humidity. So here's what I'm tracking next. Sunny and warm for your Sunday. We are going to be chasing the last 90-degree day of 2022 on Monday. Not sure we'll get there, but we may be quite close. There is now a severe threat Monday for some areas north and west of the city. And fall is going to bring in a big chill. I mean, a noticeable difference from the last day of summer to the beginning of fall. Storm Scan 3, we have some high thin clouds drifting through. For the most part, we are clear, but you got to go way out to the Midwest, and there's a storm system coming at us. It is going to be here by Monday evening. So our high pressure starts sliding offshore. We are going to have a spectacular Sunday, and then we turn our attention to that system coming out of the Midwest. Here's how the whole thing plays out. Beautiful overnight tonight. Tomorrow we're going to start with sunshine, a great day if you're going to go to brunch in the morning or church. No problem with the weather. We get into tomorrow evening. It'll be sunny. It'll be quite lovely. We sail on through into Monday. Monday starts pretty nice. It is Monday afternoon. Here we are at 10. Watch what happens. Clouds start to increase. There are some showers and storms from that system in the Midwest. This is about 3:30. A lot of it into the Poconos, Lehigh Valley, Upper Bucks and Montgomery County, and then it just starts to fizzle as it heads toward Philadelphia. So there is the chance of a spotty shower during the Eagles game, but I think much of the activity with any storms will stay to the north and the west. And then Tuesday we clear out. We go right back to that sunshine. Here is that severe threat. It's a level 1. It's a marginal threat. That's 1 out of 5. And this is for Upper Bucks, Montgomery and Chester counties. Also for Berks County, the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. So this does not involve the city of Philadelphia, any of South Jersey, the shore or Delaware. This right here is Fiona, Tropical Storm Fiona, headed toward Puerto Rico. This is expected to strengthen to a hurricane. Could see up to 20 inches of rain in some places. This is pretty serious. The flooding and the mudslides could be life-threatening. This will trim right past the shore of the Dominican Republic, and it will increase to a Category 2 hurricane. By Thursday, it is curving out into the Atlantic. There we are in Philadelphia. It's far enough away. I think at this point, we are looking at something that will turn into the Atlantic and not into the U.S. eastern coast. So 87 tomorrow in Philadelphia, 81 down the shore, a beautiful beach day, and 79 in the Poconos with a little fog in the morning. Your Eagles forecast at kickoff, 81. It will be a muggy one out there. 78 at halftime, 76 in the fourth quarter. We will see some clouds, a spotty shower not out of the question early on. Then we go to our 89 on Monday. That is the high that we'll be chasing the 90s with. We may get there. That is the day of the Eagles game. So again, a warm and humid one. 85 on Tuesday, 88 Wednesday, last day of summer. Fall begins Thursday. We have some thunderstorms. You notice the temperature on the first full day of fall? 70, 52 at night. That's a big difference, Joe.
And it keeps falling from there. Tammy, thank you so much.